Hello everyone! Today, I will explain how to get paid by copy and pasting articles, which is one of the simplest ways to make money online in the year 2022. The best part is that this method is totally free and accessible anywhere on the world. This is going to be a very simple method that you will absolutely love. This is Make Money Mindset, teaching you another easy and free to use make money online method. If you want to learn more strategies how to earn money online fast, subscribe and check out some of my other tutorials. To earn this 100% passive income over and over, all you have to do is watch the entire video and follow the instructions in this tutorial. So this is the website to which you will need to sign up and the site that will actually be paying us today. This site is called clearvoice.com. Now, since I've never talked about this website before on this channel, and I know most of you watching this don't know what it is, let me elaborate. Clearvoice is a site that pays a bunch of people to write articles for them. More specifically, various business owners pay freelancers to write articles. So I will show you how you can get those articles done for you. In that way, you don't have to write anything, which in turn means that you won't need any writing skills either. And before you even think about it, no, I'm not going to show you just some random PLR sites or whatever to find articles. We will instead be using a different platform for that purpose. With all of that said, in order to start making money with clearvoice.com, you need to have an account, and as such, hover your mouse over here at Talent Network and just click on Join the Talent Network. And by the way, you can see on the left side some of the categories in which you can write articles. So you've got advertising and marketing, finance, healthcare, software and tech, retail, and so much more. Now, with that being said, after clicking on Join the Talent Network, you will be taken to this page where you need to create your account by simply filling out your full name and clicking on Get Started. From there, you will have the option to either sign up with email or connect with Twitter or Google. I recommend doing so through Twitter or Google since it is way faster and easier to do. Once you signed up, this is what you'll come across. This is your profile. Here you will see your name and your profile picture just above it. And on the left side is where you'll be able to connect your profile with your various social media accounts. You should connect it with at least one account, since when you do so, you will have a higher chance of getting hired, which ultimately means you would be able to make more money with this website. Something of note that I want to mention before we move on is that you will actually set your own rates, as you can see here. So you will be charging as much money as you feel is appropriate. And you will get paid quickly as well, so you won't have to wait at all whatsoever. Now on the same page, you can also check out some of the people who are making money writing articles. You can open up the CV of this particular person by clicking on View CV right here. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see all of these articles that he's written till now. And each and every one of these made him hundreds of dollars. So, as you can see, even if you have to write all of these yourself, you will still be able to make a lot of money. And since I will show you where you can find articles that are basically done for you, you'll be able to make even more money by doing far less work. But before I show you that, there is something else very important for me to mention back on your profile here. Once you create a brand new account, your CV will only be 15% complete, and you need it at 100% in order to get paid. By clicking on Improve Your CV right here, you'll see all you need to do to get it to 100%. You need to upload a profile picture, connect your social media accounts, add categories in which you will be writing, add a tagline, and much more. And what you will see as well is that you need to add 6 or more pieces. What they mean by this is that you need to upload 6 or more articles into your profile. And so, let me now finally show you exactly where you can obtain those articles. But real quick, I'm curious as to where my viewers come from. So please tell me your country in the comments section so that I can make videos that everyone can benefit from. Now, let's get back to the video. In continuation, let me now show you where you can obtain those articles. And Google is the place where we can find them. Now, what you will need to do on Google is search for stuff relating to the categories you had over on ClearVoice. So you can search for something related to advertising and marketing, finance, healthcare, software and tech, retail, and if you click on View All right here, you'll be able to see all of the categories. So what you can do if you don't know exactly what to search for is pick one of these categories. Then just open up the CV of some of these people and take a look at what kind of articles they're uploading and simply search for something similar. In my case, I went with the finance category and I searched for financial tips for beginners, as you can see. And now I can find a bunch of these different articles to choose from. And here's the best part about Google: new articles are being published daily. This means that you will never run out of articles, and there will always be new articles that you can use and upload on clearvoice.com. In continuation from here, what you need to do is simply pick any one of these articles which in your opinion is the best and most interesting one, and open it up. Then just simply copy it. But since you cannot upload the exact same article on ClearVoice without copyright infringement, you first need to rewrite it, and a site you want to use for that particular purpose is called Quillbot.com. To have the entire article rewritten for you, just paste it in here, click on Rephrase, and this will rewrite it in literally a couple of seconds. Now with that said, I do have a few tips for you as far as rewriting articles is concerned. First off, make sure that the rewritten article does not have any errors, since after all, Quillbot is just a software and some parts of the rewritten article won't make sense. So you have to quickly go through the rewritten article to make sure that there are no mistakes. The second tip I have for you is that you can combine two different articles. And what I mean by that is if you search for business tips for beginners like I did, for example, what you can do is open up two different articles, rewrite half of each article with Quillbot, and combine the two halves into a single article. This will add originality and could in the end get you paid more. In any case, after rewriting the article using Quillbot and checking for any mistakes, you can now copy it. And from here, you need to head over to Docs. Google.com. Open up a blank document, paste the article right here, and then just simply save it to your computer so you can upload it into clearvoice.com. To do so, click on File right up here, click Download, and then select PDF document to download it straight into your computer. After that, on clearvoice.com, click on Add Content down here, then on Upload File, find it on your computer and upload it. And from there, what you need to do is select Category. In my case, it's Business. The primary role is Copy Editor, content type is Article, and you can now write a description if you want to, but it's not mandatory, and just click on Update down here to finally publish your article. From here, you'll basically rinse and repeat. Find an article on Google, copy it, rewrite it using Quillbot, paste it into Google Docs, save it to your computer, and upload it into clearvoice.com. In this fashion, you will easily be able to upload new articles within like 5 minutes or so. And the more of them you upload, the more money you'll be able to make. That's exactly how you make money from this website, by simply copy and pasting. I really hope you did get some value out of this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel Make Money Mindset and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.